Welcome to our channel. Today we how to backup Glide apps to a spreadsheet archive. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. Open your Glide app and log into your account. Navigate to the app you wish to backup. In the top right corner, click on the three dots menu. Select Edit App from the drop-down options. Once in the App Builder, locate the Data tab on the left sidebar. Click on Data to view your app's data tables. Choose the specific table you want to backup. In the top right corner of the data table, find the export icon. Click the export icon to download the data as a CSV file. The CSV file will automatically download to your computer. Now, open Google Sheets in a new browser tab. Create a new spreadsheet by selecting blank from the Google Sheets options. Once the new sheet is open, go to File in the top menu. Hover over Import and select it from the drop-down. In the Import window, click on Upload and drag your CSV file here. Alternatively, you can click on Select a file from your device to locate it manually. Choose your CSV file and click Open. A new window will prompt you to choose Import options. Select Replace Current Sheet if you want to replace the existing data. Click Import Data to finalize the upload. Review the imported data for accuracy. Repeat this process for any additional tables you want to backup. Once you have all your data imported, remember to rename your spreadsheet. Click on Untitled Spreadsheet in the top left corner to provide a name. Your Glide app data is now safely backed up to a Google Sheets archive. Consider organizing your sheets with clear headers for easy access in the future. Now, you can close both browser tabs if you're finished. Review the backup periodically to ensure it remains up to date. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.